How you doing, guys? Back with another video. I just purchased a French coffee press. I've seen them online. They said they're awesome. Pretty cool. Glass container. Awesome. They said it makes Americano real tastes real delicious, and a couple of different ones else different coffee it does. Awesome. All right, let's try it, see how it tastes, guys. Can't wait how this gonna taste. All right, it says right here for 3 cups, 350 mLs, a 12 ounce. The volume, okay, it's for, all right, we're gonna do 3 cups. Awesome. I got the small one. I don't have the big one. This is a small one that does, this one does like three cups because they're different sizes. I got the 12 ounce one for a cup. Okay, guys, let's do this. All right, let me get some water. I'm gonna put a cup and a half of hot water. Oh, forgot the coffee, guys. Let me get a spoon. I'm gonna add it. I like it my strong. I'm gonna add I'll probably add 2 of these. I like them pretty strong. And oh, guys, by the way, this coffee, I've never tried it. Pete's, it's a real good coffee. Dark roasted, or organic, fresh French roast. And the taste to it is chocolate, truffles, smoke, caramel. It's delicious, guys. If you haven't tried this coffee, Tom Thumbs, I think, sells it. Okay, guys, let's pour the hot water in there. Slowly. I'll let it come real. It says don't pour it so fast because you pour it, all the coffee is gonna come all the way to the surface. They want it to stay, not come up to the surface, just a little bit over the surface. Let it. Okay, let's stir it a little bit. Stir it. Awesome. Stir good. Now it says to wait about 3 to 4 minutes for best taste. Okay, guys, been 4 minutes. I'm gonna push the thing down in. Wow, yeah, cause it looks awesome, guys. You can see the coffee, it looks delicious. Wow, I love coffee, guys. I love coffee. All right, I'm gonna foam you some little bit of milk, not much. I don't like with a lot of milk. Just pour a little bit of milk. There we go. Let me foam it up real quick. Look at that. Awesome. All right, guys. Let's see what it looks like. Can't wait how it tastes like. This is my first time using this little machine. This French coffee press. Look at that. Wow. Wow, guys, it looks delicious. Put a little bit more in there. Put a little bit more. Wow. Wow. Look at that, guys. Wow, look at that. Wow. Looks delicious. Wow. That's delicious, guys. Wow. I give it 1 through 10. I'll probably give it a good 8.5. It's good. I really recommend this little, they're not expensive. They're good prices. They're not real expensive. You can find them online. Any Home Goods. I bought this at Home Goods for $9, I think. Pretty good. It's all glass and metal. It's pretty awesome. I highly recommend this, guys. This is delicious. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for more videos.